another here. Lazy. Lazy as in lazy. Katamaran. So, why? Marami ba kayong katulong sa bahay na hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng mga gawaing bahay? Or marami ka bang mga kapatid or ang mama at papa mo ang parating gumagawa ng mga bagay-bagay para sa'yo? Or it's something to do with your assignments. You're lazy to do your assignments. You're lazy to finish your task. I would say that there's something to do with a mindset. Like procrastination and laziness is just a matter of mindset. Kumbaga, why do you think doing nothing is important than doing something? Bakit sa tingin mo mas maganda para sa iyo ang walang gawin kaysa sa gumawa? You learn on how to appropriate your energy to useful things. Example, so feeling mo wala kang energy, pero may energy ka naman pala talaga. You do something for others. Like, you start doing small things for others. Like, if it's in a group setting and ang group nyo ay gumagawa ng isang task. So, feeling mo, ayaw mo tumulong kasi tinatamad ka. So, rather than doing nothing, you do something for goods ng ka-groupmate mo. Groupmates mo, pwedeng magtimpla ka ng juice para meron silang juice, or mamigay ka ng biscuit para meron silang biscuit. Just do something useful with your time when you're with your groupmates, para hindi nila masabi na that you're lazy, you're doing nothing. As for house naman, sa house naman, you try to do little things lang, mga maliliit na bagay lang na ginagawa ng magulang mo o mga kapatid mo. Let's say, washing dishes, magtupi ng damit mo, maglaba, magwalis, mga simpleng bagay lang na hindi naman kakailanganin ng sobrang lakas ng maraming energy. And as you do that, as you do it every day, you learn the habit of doing something. So, I pray and I believe that you'll become a person na industrious. That you'll be able to make use of your energy, your time, in such a way that it will be so productive. Kahit nag-work ka ng shorter time, but you will be able to achieve your goal. So, God bless you. Use your energy, your talent for good. In Jesus' name.